Hey guys, Sean from Bantam Overland. Today we are super excited to introduce our newest bundle in conjunction with Sony. This is the Sony XS162GS component speaker. This is going to be for your 2015 to 2018 and a half Jeep Wrangler JK. Inside our package, fully plug and play. You're going to get 4 of our Bantam Overland acrylic adapter rings. You're going to get our complete set of speaker harnesses, plug and play, plug directly into your factory harnesses. You're going to get 4 of the Sony mid-bass drivers, as well as 4 of our custom Bantam Overland 3D printed tweeter mounts. We'll drop directly into your factory locations and use those factory bolts. All your crossover networks for your tweeters, as well as all the necessary hardware to screw your new mid-bass drivers into your Jeep. If you have any questions or are looking to purchase our brand new Sony GS Jeep JK bundle, please visit us at bantamoverland.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as always, have a blast out there.